There you go.
Aw, yeah.
Moo.
Pokemon Stadium.
You're a cow.
Shush your face.
No.
I think you should. What cup should I play?
All of them. No.
Hmm.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Yeah, for real.
Probably just the one in the top.
The
Yeah, that one.
Cup. I can grip my Pokeball. Battle.
Oh, okay.
I know who I want.
Use a Charizard.
I know who I want. First thing I have to get. No, there's a certain Pokemon I have to get.
No.
There's a certain Pokemon I have to get.
Are you trying to murder me tonight or something?
Love you.
No, you don't.
Oh,
Okay.
how dare you?
No. Get a Sandslash.
Sandslash?
Yes. Yes, I love Sandslash.
Sandslash.
And then Doug Trio.
Why? But Doug Trio like sucks in this game.
No, he doesn't. No, wait.
Diglett's better.
Yeah, Diglett.
A Diglett? We want a little Diglett?
No, I don't want a Diglett anymore.
Didn't know. I want a Golem!
Seal.
I don't want that retard.
Get a Gengar. Get a Gengar.
Yeah,
Gengar.
Gengar. And one more.
Oh, hold on. You need a Thunder type.
I do.
Try Electabuzz.
Yeah, he looks pretty good. He is Psychic? Okay.
There you go. You should be good enough to fight.
The Pokeball.
My head hurts.
What did I tell you about not taking those meds?
What?
In the butt.
You have a strange fixation with butts.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
I do not.
Oh god, really?
Yes! Just for you, I have to do
I
this.
hate you.
Love you. Do it! Yes! Yes! Oh my god! How do you do that?
Are they testing each other's strength?
That is ow! Ow! My eyes, they burn.
Why do they burn?
Because
What will the next Pokemon be?
Dodrio is ridiculous.
I wish I could find the Dodua that could do it too. He was funnier.
I mean, I'm sure. Yes, it was.
Okay.
Stop it.
No. Oh. What, that little piece of crap learns Blizzard? I gotta
It could
use
be
it.
a Nidoqueen very soon.
Oh wait, it's good. Yeah, it's gonna take a while.
No, it's not.
A little fart.
No, but that doesn't even work. It really
man.
doesn't.
Nope.
Fireworks are flying in this
You know what? I don't
Meow.
have to work. I'm awesome. Meow.
Yes, you do. You gotta go to work tomorrow.
I think.
What?
I think. I don't even know if I'll freaking work tomorrow.
Well, what are you gonna do then?
I don't know. I have enough money to make it a couple months.
Okay.
Nah, I have
The
work.
remaining Pokemon count is 3
Sad
to 1.
face.
The battle
Oh,
has
Saturdays?
become one-sided.
Sad face. As work.
Oh, I thought you said Saturdays.
Sad days. Sad days. Oh yeah.
What's that?
Saturdays.
Oops, that's a
Making
miss.
me actually pronounce words.
The crowd's excitement is building over this
What
contest.
does it? Saturdays.
Savage attack.
Saturday.
Clear hit.
I sat on a day.
Meow.
You tell me where Mr. Whiskers is right
Never.
Hit, hit.
Never.
now. I will hold you down and I will extract the information from you.
No.
Yes.
No.
Riot.
You won't
No.
you won't tell me?
Yeah, it's a hit.
No.
Down and out.
I need this information.
And there
Nope.
goes the battle.
This is very important.
Nope.
I feel like Pokemon.
So much nope.
I got a perfect.
I get perfects all the time.
Don't lie to yourself, kid.
I don't lie to myself.
Yeah, you do.
I tell myself the truth all the time.
Silly, silly, silly.
Meow!
Meow.
You're gonna want Charizard for this one.
Charizard.
Charizard and Golem. Ah, why aren't you
What
listening?
kind of battle can we expect to see? Begin
I pictured Char.
I love Charizard.
Look at that angry Voltorb.
They always look angry.
Fire Blast.
Nom 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 nom. Burp. I always wanted a Charizard. I always thought Charizards were awesome.
Charizards are awesome.
You like Blastoise, so shut up.
Blastoise is dope.
Fireworks are
Nuh-uh, he sucks.
You sucks. He'll beat a Charizard.
No, he won't.
He's a water type.
So?
Charizard, stop sucking. He missed twice. And now you're gonna die.
Well, actually, no, he's gonna die.
Oh yeah, he blew up. If he didn't die, I'd be worried.
Pokemon B.
Suicide bummer.
Who should I switch to?
Depends who he's,
It has to make up for lost.
I'll see if I can get a hit on
This
him.
is a fight between
I could
two
one-shot
different
him.
types of Pokemon.
low.
How's that?
Fire Blast! Oh, yeah.
Meow.
Wrong.
Suck it, Bulbasaur. Or
Meow.
Bulbase.
With one hit.
Meow. Pet the
Meow.
kitty. Pet the kitty.
There's a difference in
Meow.
the number of preserved Pokemon.
I like kitties.
Meow.
They're fun to snuggle with.
Oh, it's
Snuggle
Bazuka.
kitties.
No,
The remaining Pokemon
No.
champions
I
need
would
to
snuggle a
fight.
puppy.
The battle
You
has
wouldn't
become
snuggle a kitty
one-sided.
cat.
No,
Yeah, you would.
no, cats are evil.
My cat's not evil.
No, 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 I've never met your cat.
Well, then you should meet my kitty. She's not.
No,
Yes.
no, because she's a female.
And
Female cats are evil.
mine's not.
Mm-hmm.
She's nice. She's too
Mm-mm.
scared to be evil.
Scared of what?
Everything.
Really?
Yes.
This is why I want a pit bull.
My cat was hurt when it was young. Okay, who do you want me to bring this time?
Okay, I'm gonna go with Gengar, Golem, and Dodrio.
Make you laugh.
The upcoming battle looks promising.
Gengar!
We're into round
I love
three.
Gengar.
He has a penis for a nose.
Who, Gengar?
No.
Oh, I was about to say, Gengar doesn't have a nose.
That's because you can't see it. It's in his pants.
Here's the first move. Prepare this.
I'm mad Gengar knows electric moves.
Oh, why not?
I don't know.
Hip, no.
Because he should know some psychic stuff instead.
The move.
What in the world is going on back there? I hear you yelling.
Fireworks are flying in this battle.
If you ignore it, it doesn't happen.
What's
No, that only works when I say it. I want to know.
Nope.
A decent hit.
Please?
Nope. I'm not
I don't say
investigating.
please.
I'm not investigating.
What'll it do?
You don't even know what they're yelling. They're just yelling.
They're not yelling. They went to their room.
Falling asleep is
Oh.
Hmm. I'm not investigating.
Oh.
It's
Yeah.
fast asleep. Ah!
Meow.
Super effective.
No. He's gonna kill my Gengar. You made a bad choice.
Succeeding in
Switch him out.
Wake up.
Duh. You're supposed to be a huge Pokemon nerd, and you clearly don't know how to fight.
bad dreaming.
You don't know how to fight.
Yeah, I do.
And it's down.
You got my Gengar killed. That's your fault.
Nuh-uh, that's your fault. I told you to switch him out.
Pokemon B.
I blame you.
I blame your mother.
You can't blame my mother.
Yes, I can.
Lies.
This is a fight
I just
between
did.
two different types of Pokemon.
Oh, your face.
What about it?
Stuffs. Like acorns and pepper.
Why would there be acorns and pepper on my face?
Because I put it there.
The heated
Nuh-uh.
battle rages on.
You don't know? I put
At
stuff
least
everywhere.
my shoulder doesn't look like a chew toy.
Oh, shut up. It's your chew toy anyway.
Yay!
Oh, is it down and out?
I don't think you mind it looking like a chew toy since,
Which
you know.
Pokemon is coming out?
Meow!
Look at it. Meow. Kitty cat.
It's Geodude.
Geodude. It's
The
a ball with
Pokemon
arms.
are entirely different types.
You leave my ball with arms alone. I'm a flying.
Why would you use flying on a rock type? Just think
Because
about that.
then he can't hurt me.
Oh, the attack net.
That just
He-
makes no sense.
You make no
Furious battle.
sense.
When I'm playing Pokemon, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I was
Don't
playing
you-
Fire Red earlier.
It didn't do
Don't you
much
lie to me, son.
I'll do whatever I
freak?
want.
What the?
Fire
What
Did
the?
he use metronome?
battle.
Yes! A Geodude just used fly. WTF.
The air strike continues.
Ha! Let's
OMG
take this to the air.
What's that? Oops,
Well, no,
that's
duh,
a
the
miss.
attack missed.
Neither one is conceding an inch.
You
That's-
giggle like a little girl.
You giggle like a
What's this?
school mom.
Power
Right.
strike.
I'm
It improved its defense.
He turned into a ball.
confused.
Sparks are flying.
Just a ball this time.
Heated match.
You confuse me, whatever. Sometimes.
Nah, I'm really good at that, apparently.
Only on occasion.
And it's down.
Only on your mother. Oh,
I leave my
There's
mother out
only
of this.
one Pokemon left
Never.
in reserve.
Yes.
no.
I will make you.
Oh, it's Clefairy.
Mm-hmm.
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 The remaining Pokemon stock.
Mm-hmm. Meow.
The
Meow.
10th battle is
No.
I think
No.
I'm gonna start meowing at customers at work.
Don't do that.
I'm just gonna be like, enjoy your movie. Meow.
What'll it do? What's the weak spot? The
You should
ground-
work
I'm
in
mad
this-
that as soon as I said that, I started doing the hand motion for ripping the ticket. Oh God.
Oh,
No.
Riot.
What?
God. Oh god.
Nail the weak spot.
That's not cool.
They already brainwashed you.
I'm brainwashed.
And there goes the
I'm
battle.
gonna see how much of your brainwashing I can bring out.
Mm.
What the hell's up with that Geodude picture?
Yeah, some of the thingies are messed up.
I noticed. I guess we'll do
Like
one
your
more
mom.
badge.
Oh.
My mom's not messed up. Crazy.
Maybe. Perhaps slightly a little poop.
You did a little poop?
A
Aw.
little bit.
I'm gonna bring Electabuzz.
And Gengar. And who'd you pick?
Excitement
Who did I pick?
round 4.
Did you just press buttons?
No.
Yes.
No, actually. Who I
No,
picked?
no.
Oh, Sandslash.
Okay, cool. Because I was gonna tell you to pick that anyways.
Uh-huh. Thinking you can tell me what to do.
I'll do whatever I want.
You'll do what I tell you to do.
Mm-hmm. Because it totally works like that.
On occasion.
It does not.
Slightly.
No.
Sometimes.
Not even a little bit.
When I ask nicely.
Not even then.
Stop it.
Oh, it's another miss.
What?
You suck.
You swallow.
Down.
You gargle.
What a furious battle.
You masticate.
You lick.
You spit and then lick it all back up.
Kinky. What?
Nothing.
Mm-hmm. You just going nothing.
What now? A decent hit.
Hey, Cubone, die.
Cubone. I like Cubone.
Cubone's cool. But he needs to die.
He already killed his mother.
Your mother, too.
Well, that's just rude.
No one said Cubone was nice.
You didn't have to tell me that. Rude.
I just keeping it real, you know?
No, because that's rude. You're rude to me.
I'm not rude to you. I'm
Yes,
very
you
nice.
are.
No, I'm not.
You're rude.
I'm nice to you.
Rude.
You know what? You're a
I'm
dump
listening.
truck. You heard
I'm a
me.
what?
A dump truck.
Like your mom.
That's not even funny. Why am I laughing?
Because it's funny.
Oh my god.
This is a fight between two different
Why'd you tell me to bring Electabuzz? He was so useless. They picked all rock Pokemon.
What's next? There, it's a hit.
You think it might just be the vent?
It's burrowed underground. Neither one is conceding an inch.
No, I don't. I can figure it out later.
What'll it do?
I'm sure she can.
Miss the target.
What?
Nothing.
What?
Just talking to people.
Super effective.
Uh-huh.
You know, the people not on camera like you do all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
I talk to everyone not on camera.
Pokemon left in reserve.
They're kind of kicking my butt.
Hmm?
They're kind of kicking my butt.
It's one Pokemon against two
Meow.
now.
Meow.
The tense battle continues.
I want my kitty.
It's burrowed underground.
You should bring me my cat.
Haha, you can't have her.
You should bring me my cat. What the f-
Round again.
I ate her.
The
Why-
intense battle continues. How's that?
I'm mad we both used
That's
dig.
a miss. What's this? A decent hit.
Man.
Both Pokemon appear equally fit.
Wait, which cat?
My cat.
What now?
Was the gray one?
I don't know
Yeah,
which one.
it's a hit.
I've shown
I
you
don't
my
know.
cat.
I just ate a cat.
Was it gray?
What's next?
I ate a purple cat once.
Fireworks are
Why would you
flying
eat
in
a
this
purple
battle.
cat? You know
Because I've
that's...
been pooping rainbows ever since.
You ate Nine Cat?
What'll it do? Good
How
hit.
dare you? You can't... Really, come on.
Why not?
They may be sweet, delicious, and
Power strike.
amazing on the tongue, but...
What a
Lol.
furious
Lol.
But you can't just go around eating them and pooping rainbows.
Why not?
Because I told you not to.
Right, because I do everything you say anyways.
You could occasionally.
We're down
No.
to one Pokemon aside. There's nothing left.
Kabooty.
in reserve.
It does say Kaboot. I'm gonna lose this terribly.
The battle is
Probably.
coming right
If you dig,
down
you might
to
be
the
fine.
wire.
That's what I'm doing.
It's burrowed underground.
Oh yeah.
What a slash!
Nuh-uh.
I did.
Oh, the attack
No, you
missed.
didn't.
Yeah.
Neither one
I
Your
can
mom
come
did.
up with
Oh.
great complex battle plans without you.
savage attack.
What?
I can come up with complex battle plans without your help.
No, you can't.
I just did.
No, you didn't.
I killed your Kabuti.
It wasn't my kabooty.
Well, now it
I
is.
think you're gonna want to split this off into a second episode soon.
I am. I'm gonna cut it here.
Okay then.
I win.
Boop.
And we'll be right back.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.